Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we finally got our Cosori air fryer. It was exactly 3 weeks from the time that we submitted our claim to have it replaced because of the fire hazard of the previous one. It is actually exactly the same. So you wouldn't recognize the difference besides the fact that this one now still has a cord. So this is the 5.8 quart air fryer. It's the bucket drawer one. So this is the exact one we had before. So now it's really kind of nice. We have a new basket. It's brand new. Same functionality. I'll put a link in the description below. We did a review of this one because we really enjoyed it and we've loved all the food that we've cooked with it. So take a look at that link below and you can see some of the things that we've done with it. But brand new, took us 3 weeks from the time that we submitted to the time that we actually got this. And a bunch of people all got it at the same time. So they must have been basically just piling up all the things and shipping them all at once, so that way everyone was kind of getting theirs around the same time. So we wanted to give you a heads up that we got ours. We did not go with a different product option. You could. I don't know too many people that have at least commented below that said that they went with something different. They just really went and wanted their air fryer back. So that's it. So Cosori did a really good job, I think, with this. I mean, they had an issue. They owned up to that issue. They replaced all the units as quickly as they could. So I think that they did a really good job with this. I know there's some glitches here and there, but there's millions of units out there. And so for them to actually get something back in your hands in 3 weeks, I think is really good. I do not work for them. This is just my personal product that we buy, we use. That's why we did a review on it, is because it's something that we use every day. And I can show you how badly our other one was used because the basket was, needed to probably be replaced anyways. So now I have a new one. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. And if you have any issues or comments or anything like that, let us know. But you guys all asked when we were getting ours. 3 weeks. 3 weeks is what we took to get ours. And really, they did a pretty good job with this. Thanks.